Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom filter for the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So if you have visited a website and you have seen a photo that have a very nice filter that you want to use or copy, what you can do is you can take a screenshot or download that image onto your device. And then next, we're going to go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key. Then launch the camera app. After that, you want to tap on the filter button up here at the top and then tap on My Filters. So by default, it might goes to Filters. So you want to tap on My Filters. And down here, you want to go all the way to the left hand side. On the left, tap on the Add button. And then go into the photo album that has the photo that you want to use. So this photo right here. And say I want to apply the filter from this photo. I tap on that. And then in here you can readjust the reference area. So we adjust the reference area where you want the phone to copy the filter. And then tap on Save. After you have saved, you can see in the preview window up here, it will try to copy that filter. If it does not give you what you want, you can also always go back in here and readjust the reference area. And then tap on Saved. Once you are happy, you can then tap on the Save Filter button. And you can create as many filters as you like. So here I'm going to add in another filter. Let's say I'm going to choose this image right here of the moon. And then I'm going to tap on this part here. I'm going to readjust my reference area. And then tap on Save. And that's it. So that's how you can create your own custom filter. And then tap on Save Filter. And if you're happy with that filter, you can then tap on the Shoot button. And that's it. So you can see that's how you can create your own custom filter for the camera on the Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. So here you can see it got filter 3, 4, 5. So let's see if I can tap on it and rename it or not. So it doesn't look like you can actually name the filter yourself. It will go by the default filter 1, 2, 3, 4 by the numbering system. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.